in Sicilian. Today's Sicilian word is a very antique, very old, but very effective with the older generation. The word today is a vossia. What does it mean? It's a word of reference in respect to the elderly because of their age. So instead of saying you or tu, we say vossia. In Italian, we say voi because it's like a title that we give them of respect. So let's put in a sentence. Come vossia oggi? How are you today? Come state voi oggi? Also, another way of using it is sta vieni qua. Means come here, but in Italian we say venite qua instead of vieni qua. And in Sicilian we say sta vieni qua. So you give them that little extra title, or it's a totally different vocabulary when you speak it to the elderly in Sicilian. I tried my best to translate it. Please don't be upset if I didn't do a good job. Like always, please follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube. E come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu!
Con la Mercedes accanto alla mamma. Ciao, 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 siciliano. Ciao, 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 giri il mondo e cerchi la fortuna. Ciao, 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 siciliano. Ovunque tu andrai, lo so la troverai.